Most consultants are using AI all wrong. They're cranking out tons of content with tools like ChatGPT, but they're still struggling to get clients. Why is that? Well, because the old playbook doesn't work anymore, and AI just makes it faster to do the wrong things. Hi, I'm Brett, and I've been doing marketing since 2018, and what I've learned is this. There is marketing before AI, and there is marketing after AI. If you don't change your approach, you'll be invisible. On this channel, I'll show you how to use AI, especially custom GPTs, to build smarter funnels, create better content, and get more done in less time without relying on expensive agencies or playing the content hamster wheel game. You'll get tactical how-tos on GPT workflows, funnels and automations that bring in qualified leads, messaging that sets you apart from AI-generated noise, and mindset tips, so you stay original, creative, and in demand. But just to be clear, this isn't an entertainment channel. I won't be doing high retention editing or clickbait videos. This is more like a course. You'll get bite-sized, step-by-step videos showing you exactly how to build a consulting business that runs smarter with AI. If that sounds good, hit the subscribe button, and if you're ready to fast-track your results, head over to brettwharton.com and book a free strategy session. And hey, drop a comment below and let me know what your biggest question is about using AI in your business. I'd love to create a video just for you.